The journey ahead will be difficult if you don't heed this warning. There will be times when the temptation to give up will be strong. There will be times when the devil will try to tempt you in your darkest moments. He will tempt you with shortcuts and easy ways out. But those things will only lead to destruction. You must be careful to avoid them at all costs. They can hurt your soul, and they will only lead you to a life of misery. God warns you now so that you can be prepared. The journey ahead doesn't need to be difficult if you stay on God's path. You must resist temptation and choose the path of righteousness. You can overcome anything as long as you stay on the path of light. The devil is always there, lurking in the shadows, waiting for you to stumble. But you must be strong. Choose instead to live a life of faith and virtue. Then, and only then, will you find true abundance in your life. When you choose to follow God, He will strengthen you and guard you from danger. He will be with you always, even when the road is difficult. The Holy Spirit will be with you. The love of the Almighty will surround you, and you will lack nothing. Behind every strong person is God. Just as a foundation is essential to a building, God is essential to your life. Walk with God, and even on your worst day, you will be blessed and loved by Him. And always remember 3 things. God is with you. Still with you. Always with you. God bless you. Like and subscribe the video if you believe.